Would you look at that? The first ever poison and normal type. His name is Grafaiai. Scarlet and Violet just released a new Pokemon. After this Pokemon got revealed, we just discovered that his special powers include creating special paints using its fingers. They've created a lot of fun stuff. They've created a lot of graffiti, otherwise known as wall art. The wall arts that the graffiti has been placed all over the Scarlet and Violet region. Oh, and get this. I caught one of these the other day, and I'm gonna plan on taking it to New York City, and well, I have been told that these creatures that these Pokemon have been showing off their artwork in New York City. I plan to do the same thing. And, well, I promised it a treat, like takoyaki, and I fed it some takoyaki, and we're already on our way to New York City, and you will not believe the fun stuff that I got him to draw. He was proud of his work, and so was I. There we are, that's how you draw grafaiai. Please like and rock and subscribe to my channel. And let me know what Pokemon you want me to draw next. Stegosaurus, see you later. Good night.